Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, it's December 15th, 2011, and we have mixed markets. Asia down, Europe up. Had good news on unemployment claims. See, we're at a double top here for the high of the day. We also see on the big 28K chart that we're at the 38 fib, just above it. And we're just above the 23 fib in the deeps, also above the 38 on a big chart on the 1597. So could have a reversal here. Market opens up in a minute. Let's see what transpires. I did have a pre-market trade. Picked up 5 ticks here. Pre-market's a little trying on the nerves, so I don't know if I want to do that too often. But I did see the opportunity. Didn't pan out as far as I thought, but there was a strong V down on the 233. Okay, looks like we actually passed the day's high, so that doesn't necessarily set us up for a short. We could easily be moving higher from this point according to the fibs, MACDs. This could be a little pullback right here that reverses. Okay, we're coming underneath on the 233, coming across 440, 610. Could easily move up from here. Big charts are still showing up. Okay, we're getting some dancing on the 80, excuse me,
Connection
on the 11
lost.
fib. Uh-oh. Seems to have a problem with our connection, and now we're back. False alarm. Well, not false alarm. That's disconcerting. If we would have been in a move and needed to get out, that would have been bad news. Okay. We're getting some further downward action, but nothing to write home about from my views. Let's see how we did on the news. Okay, industrial production is down. That is not a good thing, and we may have some reaction to that in the market. We may have already had it. Don't want to pay too much attention to the news. Perhaps just stay out when there is news. Okay, short term we're looking down, longer term we're looking up, so mid-band push opportunity here. This 610's coming into a pinch. That's often a move up point. 987 could easily move up. Keltner's definitely on the upswing, so we could have a nice opportunity for a long here. Or we're going to float sideways, I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm going to take a pause till we see a setup. Okay, we had a bounce off of the 38 fib. But it looks more down. Could have a reverse mid-band push here. .610 does not look like it's wanting to come to the rail, staying on inside, and it looks like 987 could easily reverse and could have a bounce on 1597. Strong up on the other indicators. Didn't really have a strong bar setup. Could have a foot forming on 233. My guess is more up at this point. Look at how sweet it was, that bounce off of that 38 fib. Wow, just beautiful. Okay, we're coming up to the deeps here. Getting a delay in my system. One thing I do is I leave the system up 24 hours a day for days on end, and that's probably not the wisest thing to do. Yeah, no, just not good. So, okay, let's watch and see what happens, because we look at I got foot forming possibly on 233. I don't want to restart Ninja Trader. Forget, that could be a spot. Get a bar setup. Okay, we're at a double bottom. It's pretty much an hour and error for that foot because it's getting too long. Alright, now we're coming down to the 50. If we hit the 50, that's another opportunity for a reversal. So let's wait and see. kind of head and shoulders there with a small bar. That's fairly attractive. Looks like 610's coming to the rail, though. It's not a good sign for long. Yeah, there we go. Have a little bit of up activity. Nothing to write home about. Looks like that 233 foot is not going to work out. 610 coming to the rail. Could be just grinding down. We've been grinding down since the open. Looks like our 233 foot opportunity has gone by. It's kind of a short chart anyway, but I've seen it work fairly well. The 10K chart sure is interested in an up. Okay, I think we're going to pause, and I'm going to close and restart NinjaTrader. Come back at you. Okay, I've restarted NinjaTrader. Hopefully it'll be responsive now. Our MACDs are indicating kind of gentle float down. Could have a reversal. Long-term charts like up. Getting a little separation of 610. Come around underneath on 440. Could have a strong V up on 233. We'll see how that plans out. Been bouncing along this this line for quite a while, so could provide support to move up. Volumes have been declining, and we're kind of just muddling through here. I wonder what the news. There's some news coming up. I don't think so. Oh, Philly Fed at in 10 minutes. We might just meander until then. That's a possibility. Okay, we just poked lower through that line of resistance, and that could mean we're going to pop up. Who knows? Could be a bear trap. Have you ever seen a real bear trap? You wouldn't want to get your foot caught in there. Okay, it could be coming down to the 50 now. Potential area of reversal. Okay, I think we'll take a pause till we see a setup. Okay, we had a little 2-bar reversal right there that looks pretty tempting. Got a pretty sweet trend line here indicating down. Our short-term MACDs though are up, so could be in for a long here. We sure did respect that trend line, didn't we? Nailed it. I'm still getting some sluggish response time on Ninja. Probably have to restart the whole machine. With this grinding time, perhaps in anticipation of the news at 9, this might be a good time for that. Let's see. Fully fed manufacturing index, according to Forex Factory, looks like it is an important indicator. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We'll be back. Wow, I don't even know if I can do that with my recordings because I don't know how to append. Good question. I'm going to pause and investigate that really quickly. Okay, I entered into a short because I saw a bar setup that I really liked. And I see a bounce on a MACD that I like too. Okay, we're not getting the response that we're looking for right away. Still like the setup for short. Okay, there is a nice 2-bar reversal, so maybe we'll get some carry out some follow through on that. $233 looks like it's coming down to the rail. Well, it didn't. Still looking good for my opinion. Uh-oh, we're getting into some trouble now. Okay, we're making a little progress here. Alright, here we go. I've had enough of that nonsense. Of course, that's what the market's saying, so it's not nonsense. It's just what the market's saying. Now we're looking for some more down.
Stop filled.
Alright, we got into a little bear trap there probably. So I think I had a break even on that one. Let's see how I did in that one. Yeah, I'm just getting a real slow response time from Ninja, so I know that my machine needs to be restarted. Yeah, it looks like I lost a tick on that trade. Yeah, there's a break even. Alright, but it could have been a lot worse, because look at that rise. And we closed below the 50 and took off for the deeps. Now we're in the deeps. Another quick reversal. Okay, I think we'll take a pause till we see a setup.